What is up, party people? You're not here to party, you're here to try to make money online. I get that. So I'm gonna try to get through this as quick as possible. If you're new to making money online or trying to make money online or trying to be a Clickbank affiliate or make money with Clickbank, the very beginning of things is you'll watch these videos, you'll hear people say that 99.99% people fail because they're just not trying. If you try with Clickbank and you have not succeeded, do not think it's because you have not tried. Do not think it's not because you wasted money trying to pay for advertising, whatever the case is. Clickbank is it's just, they're hard waters to kind of navigate, so to speak. So making money on Clickbank is not difficult, but it's not easy either. People that create Clickbank products, a lot of these people are affiliates themselves. With that being said, let's say if I'm an affiliate, not even content creator, let's say I make products and I sell them on Clickbank. What I will do is take my product, put it on Clickbank, and affiliates such as yourself will find the product, get your link, and go promote it. So you send traffic to this link, which is legit traffic if you're going using proper sources, but you're sending legit traffic to this link, which is coming to my site. Soon as you send it the one time, it's gone. All right, so let's say, quick example, you give your homeboy, homegirl, whatever, you give them your affiliate link to whatever Clickbank product that I own. You give them the link, they put in their email address, they watch the little infomercial, whatever case is, and it does not reel them in automatically. It's something that they're interested in, but it doesn't move them on that first watch. So they watched with your link using their email address. That one time they looked at it, they did not buy it too easy. But with you being new to Clickbank, that's all you do is give them the link and you're done. However, me being the product owner, I still have the email address for life. You feel me? So you sent them the link one time, they did not buy, their email address automatically comes to me. So within 24 to 48 hours, what I'm going to do as the product owner of the product is send them another offer. Same product, just different offer with my affiliate link, basically my company's affiliate link. So think about this. Then I will keep emailing your homeboy or your homegirl numerous times until they buy something. Or if my product that I'm sending does not work after like the 7th to 10th time of me emailing different things about the same product, what I'm going to do as a Clickbank product owner / affiliate is go find one of my homies that are, product creators or whoever the competition is. I'm going to go find their product and then send that product using my affiliate link to your homeboy or homegirl. You get no commission from that. I'm getting commission either way. So to rewind and put this back into context. So if you're sending your, spamming your link to people or just giving your link to people and not following up with them whatsoever, because sometimes you can't. So if you're giving them the direct link, there's no way you can follow up with your potential customer. So the only way around that is to put something in front of the offer. You have to look at the fine print. So whatever your niche is, go look at the offer and then make sure you can just see what you can and cannot do. But if it says that you can put like a landing page or some sort of website in front of their website, do that and make sure you collect that email address. Certain products on Clickbank will give you a list of resources that you can use. They'll give you emails that you can use. They'll give you pictures and product reviews that you can use on your stuff, your page basically, and you send customers to your page. All you have to do is kind of get them familiar with where you're going to send them to. That kind of warms up cold traffic. Cold traffic being people that don't know you, that don't know the product, that don't know what's going on. They just seen a headline that looked interesting, they clicked on it, and bam, it brought them to you. You have a page that looks okay or is vague, but not misleading, but just kind of vague and like kind of leading them to, some sort of stage of curiosity, like, hey, what is this? I need to learn more. And in order for them to learn more, you have to have something that says, okay, cool, before I can send you the information, enter your email address for, so we can, whatever, verify your age or something, whatever case is, just, give us your email and we'll send you to the product. Something to that effect. Once you do that, now you have an email address that you yourself can email later. Same as I, the product owner, would take your link and then email the mess out of your person You take that same email address, you store it. You keep doing this, you keep storing up those emails. Basic as it can get. Look, there's no way around it. If you're trying to make money online using Clickbank, you have to collect that email address. Look, there's no way around it. If you're trying to make money online using Clickbank, you have to collect that email address. And it works for any other like MLM and stuff to that effect. You just have to be in the same niche. Collect these email addresses under one niche. You try a product. If it doesn't work, cool. You at least have the email addresses. You can try a different product to people you've already marketed to. So now you're not wasting money trying to now pay for more advertising to a new group of people to promote something brand new, if not the same old thing, and then get the same results. No. Do that marketing one time. You collect, 100 email addresses, cool. You test that product with them. That doesn't work, cool. You try another product. You get a sell, cool. Now you market to more people. But again, the most important part is just keep collecting these email addresses. And I will teach you furthermore, further stuff about email marketing. But if you're trying to make money on Clickbank, collect an email. Collect an email. The money's in the list. Do not just send direct links. That's, again, I'm going to get your link, or I'm going to get your person that you sent. You're out of the loop. You'll make no money from when they do buy down the line. So why not the person that's making money be you by sending the same email that I'm going to send? It's easy as pie. What I'll do this week, I recorded one. I did it on my computer. I wasn't pleased with how it just takes too much editing to fix that up. So what I'll do is I'll drop something real quick and I'll show you how to create a page to put in front of the offer to help out. Hopefully this helps you. If so, hit that like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And, help me build my page up and I'll drop info. I do it all day for free. So to individuals, why not bring it to where other people can find it when they need it, basically. So anyway, good luck. Peace. They put in their email, let's do this again.